Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode, we're making crab cakes. A crab cake, it is composed of crab meat and various other ingredients. The cake is then sautéed, baked, grilled, or fried. Crab cakes are traditionally associated with the area surrounding the Chesapeake Bay, in particular the states of Maryland and Virginia. And, as promised, crab cakes. Coming up. To begin, we are using 8 saltine crackers and we're going to crush them very fine. And we're only using 8 saltine crackers because we don't want too much filler. A good crab cake is mostly crab meat. Add in 2 tablespoons of mayo, half teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, half teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, a sprinkle of salt to taste, and of course, 1 egg. So mix that up until all the ingredients are well combined. To the mixture, we're adding 1 pound of fresh crab meat. Mix it all in and make sure that all the crab meat is covered in the mixture. After all the crab meat has been evenly coated, we're going to refrigerate for 1 hour. Now go ahead and make them into patties. We're going to cover them with breadcrumbs on both sides. This is what's so annoying about this. Since there's hardly any filler, they will want to break apart, but do not let them win. Form them into a patty the best you can. As long as you can get them into the pan, you're good. By the time you get them into the frying pan, the bread and the eggs is going to help you hold them together. We're frying them in 2 tablespoons of butter. We are cooking them on medium heat about 3 to 4 minutes per side. We want to make sure that the heat goes through and cooks the egg. This recipe really showcases the crab. It's like all crab. Please do not use canned crabs or subpar crabs for this recipe. It's just not worth it. Do not make this recipe unless you have really good quality crabs on hand. And if you do, then go ahead and make it, and you will enjoy and appreciate it. Please make sure to smash that bell button so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. What state has the best crab cakes? Please let me know in the comment box down below. And let's give it a try. Look at that crab meat. Yes, absolutely delicious, outstanding, so tasty, so moist, so crabby. I love it. And there you guys have it, crab cakes. Enjoy. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below, give it a thumbs up. And YouTube wants you to watch this delicious recipe and that yummy recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.